everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to show you how my mom and I make a lemongrass paste. I'm so lucky to have her here today. She's going to demonstrate how to make lemongrass paste, and this is a special edition for Mother's Day. So here is my mom, Lee.
Hi everyone, I'm very happy to do this for my daughter. So I'm going to show how I make the lemongrass paste. So first of all is lemongrass, and the second one is kalanka, they call kalanka, and the third one they call turmeric, and this one they call lime leaf. So and then with garlic. So this one garlic. So we're going to put this much like for one dish, this much, okay? So we're going to cutting everything, clean everything, and then cut. And going to pound them, going to cut like this.
So she's just slicing everything up or chopping everything up into smaller pieces. At the bottom of the chopping board, there's a little cloth under there to keep it more stable. And now she's ready to pound.
I'm going to put the kalanka first, because this one more harder.
It's more thicker.
Thicker and harder. Bạc bọc một tịch rồi dương bọc nước đầy.
Yeah. Usually we use a food processor, and that is really speed everything up. But then this time we're going to show you the traditional way, which you pound it with a mortar and pestle.
Salt a little bit to make them fast to.
She's just adding some salt in there to help it to bind a little bit better.
Fast to bind.
Now she's going to add the rest of the things, like the turmeric, the lemongrass, and the garlic, which are the easier things to pound. And as you can see, she's using her other hand to hold everything together and pushing it down as it comes back up. You want to show them what it looks like, Mom? You want to bend it over and show it how it looks? Or, see? There you go. Normally we would do this on the floor, but for sake of demonstration, we're just doing it on the counter this time. And it's protected by the cloth there. Okay, you're just gonna keep pounding it until it's done.
Okay, this one is how it looks. I've been pound like 25 minutes now, and then we always that pound like this is more taste than the Kreung. So how it look is good, eh? Really taste. So I'm going to be ready now. I put in a bowl, small bowl.
So this is enough to make 1 to 3 dishes, and my mom was just trying to say that the oils, the essential oils, come out. It secretes much better when you pound it, even though it takes like 25 minutes to do, versus grinding it in a food processor, which only takes like 3 minutes. And usually we do these in big batches, and we save it like months at a time, so that we can skip this process and put it right into our ingredients whenever we cook. Here it is, the finished product.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Cheers.
Cheers.